Hello, everyone, and welcome back to Easy English Daily. I'm Olivia.
And I'm Jack. Hey, it's so good to see you again.
If you're new here, quick, hit that red subscribe button and the bell and drop a little hi in the comments so we can say hello to you personally.
Yes, please. We read every comment. Okay, are you ready for today?
Today's lesson is super useful because we're talking about daily sentences in English to speak. Simple, real sentences that you can start using today, even if you're A1 or A2.
Exactly. These are the sentences native speakers say every single day. Let's begin.
Morning sentences. Good morning, Jack. How are you today?
Good morning, Olivia. I'm great, thank you. And you?
I'm fine, thanks. Okay, everyone, listen and repeat after me. Good morning.
Good morning.
How are you today?
I'm great, thank you.
I'm fine, thanks. Perfect. These are the first sentences you need every day. Meeting a friend.
Hi, Sarah. Long time no see. How've you been?
Hey, Jack. I've been good. Busy with work, but good. What about you?
Same here. Work, gym, sleep, repeat.
Everyone, did you hear the short forms? I've been good equals I have been good. What about you is the easiest way to give the question back. Try it in the comments. Write, I've been good, or I'm fine, thanks. On the street.
Okay, let's go to the street.
Excuse me, do you have the time, please?
Sure, it's 10:30.
Thank you so much. Have a nice day.
You too.
Super simple and super polite. We used excuse me to start, please in the middle, and thank you at the end. This is the magic polite sandwich.
I love that. Polite sandwich. Repeat. Do you have the time, please?
At a cafe. Now you're at a cafe.
Hi. Can I have a coffee, please?
Of course. Small, medium, or large.
Medium, please. To go.
That'll be $4.50.
Here you go. Keep the change.
Thank you. Have a great day.
You too.
Everyone, notice, can I have please is the easiest way to order. To go means take away. Here you go means here is the money. Try to say your order now out loud. Work or school sentences.
Time for work or school sentences.
I'm sorry, I'm late. The bus was late again.
No problem. Come in. Sit down.
Thanks. What page are we on?
Page 27.
Got it. Thank you.
Easy. I'm sorry plus reason is perfect. Native speakers say this every day.
Phone conversation.
Hello?
Hi, Jack. It's Olivia. Is this a good time?
Yeah, sure. What's up?
I just wanted to ask, are we still meeting at 7?
Yes, 7 is perfect. See you later.
Great. See you. Bye.
Bye.
Is this a good time? Is very polite on the phone. What's up means how can I help? Or why did you call? Very common.
Lunch plans.
Lunchtime.
I'm so hungry.
What do you want to eat?
How about pizza?
Sounds good. Let's go to Tony's.
Perfect. I'm ready when you are.
How about and sounds good are your new best friends. Say them every day and you sound natural immediately.
Small talk at work.
Small talk at work.
Crazy weather today, right?
I know. It was sunny this morning and now it's raining.
Typical. Do you think it'll stop soon?
I hope so. I didn't bring an umbrella.
You can borrow mine if you want.
That's so kind. Thank you.
No problem.
Everyone, weather is the #1 small talk topic in English. Start with crazy weather, right? And people love it.
Asking for help in a shop.
Excuse me, where are the t-shirts?
They're on the second floor next to the jeans.
Great, thank you. Do you have this in medium?
Let me check. Yes, here you go.
Perfect. Can I try it on?
Sure, the changing rooms are over there.
Thanks a lot. Where are, do you have this in, can I try it on, save these sentences forever.
Evening sentences now.
Evening sentences now.
I'm home.
Welcome back. How was your day?
Long but good. I'm tired now.
Dinner is almost ready.
You're the best. What are we having?
Pasta with tomato sauce, your favorite.
Yay! I'll set the table.
How was your day is the most common evening question. Answer with one word first. Good, okay, tiring. Then add more.
Before bed.
I'm going to bed. Good night.
Already? It's only 10.
I know, but I'm really sleepy. Sweet dreams.
You too. Sleep well?
Night-night. Sweet dreams, sleep well, night-night. All cute ways to say good night.
Quick review game.
Let's do a quick review game. I say a situation, you say the sentence in your head or out loud. Ready?
Situation 1. You wake up and see your roommate.
Good morning.
Situation 2. You need to know the time.
Excuse me, do you have the time?
Situation 3. You want coffee.
Can I have a coffee, please?
Situation 4. You're late for class.
I'm sorry, I'm late.
Situation 5. You finish eating and you loved the food.
That was delicious, thank you.
Perfect. You're doing amazing.
Homework. Your homework today is super easy and fun. Choose 5 sentences from today and use them in real life tomorrow. With your family, friends, or even talk to yourself in the mirror, it still counts. Then come back and write in the comments which sentences you used. We will reply to every single comment.
Yes, we love hearing your stories.
And we're back with more daily sentences. Hello again.
Let's keep the energy high. Now we go shopping for real.
I love this shirt. How much is it?
It's on sale, only $20.
Wow, that's cheap. I'll take it.
Good choice. Cash or card?
Card, please.
How much is it? I'll take it. Cash or card? You need these every weekend.
In a supermarket.
Excuse me, which aisle are the eggs in?
Aisle 6 at the end.
Thank you. Oh, and do you know where the milk is?
Right behind you.
Perfect. Thanks again.
Aisle which is gold in big shops.
At the pharmacy.
Hi, I need something for a headache, please.
Sure. These tablets are very good. $2.99.
Great, I'll take them. Thank you.
Feel better soon.
I need something for. Use it for headache, cold, stomach pain.
Travel sentences. At the train station.
Hi, 1 ticket to London, please.
Single or return?
Return, please.
That's £45. Platform 3. The train leaves in 10 minutes.
Thank you. Have a nice day. Single means one way. Return means there and back. Easy.
At the airport.
Where is gate 25?
Go straight and then turn left. You still have plenty of time.
Thank you so much.
Safe flight.
Feeling sentences, very important.
I'm so happy today.
Why? Tell me.
I passed my English test.
Congratulations. I'm proud of you.
Thanks. I'm excited for the next one.
Other feelings. I'm tired. I'm bored. I'm hungry. I'm cold. I'm nervous. I'm excited.
How to answer "How are you?" in many ways. I'm awesome today. Not bad. So-so. Could be better. On top of the world.
Use a different one every day and you never sound boring.
Making plans.
What are you doing this weekend?
Nothing much. Why?
Do you want to watch a movie on Saturday?
Yes, I'd love to. What time?
7 o'clock?
Perfect. See you then.
Do you want to? I'd love to. What time? Friendship sentences.
Saying thank you in 10 ways quickfire. Thanks. Thank you. Thanks a lot. Thanks so much. I appreciate it. You're a star. I owe you one. Cheers. Thank you. You're the best. Thanks a million.
Choose a new one every day.
Saying sorry in different ways. Sorry. I'm so sorry. My bad. Oops. Sorry. I didn't mean to. Forgive me.
My bad is very casual and cool with friends.
Quick role play. You are at a restaurant. Hi, are you ready to order?
Yes, I'll have the chicken salad, please.
And to drink.
Just water, thank you.
Still or sparkling?
Still, please.
Come and ride that.
I'll have just water, still or sparkling, restaurant English 100%.
Your second homework, record yourself saying 10 sentences from today and send it to a friend or post it on Instagram and tag us at @EasyEnglishDaily. We repost the best ones.
Yes, we love hearing your voice.
We still have part 3 coming with emergency sentences, phone English, and job interview lines.
Stay with us, it gets even better.
Welcome to the final part. You're doing fantastic if you're still here.
Let's talk about when things go wrong, small emergencies.
Help! I lost my phone!
Don't panic. When did you last see it?
I think in the cafe?
Let's go back and ask.
I can't find my, very useful.
You're not feeling well.
I don't feel good. I think I have a fever.
Oh no, you should go home and rest. Do you want me to call a doctor?
No, it's okay. I'll just sleep. Thank you for caring.
I don't feel good is softer than I'm sick.
Phone English again. Leaving a message.
Hi, Ahmed. This is Olivia. I'm calling about tomorrow's meeting. Please call me back when you can. Thanks. Bye.
Short and clear.
Job interview. Simple answers.
Job interview. Tell me about yourself.
My name is Olivia. I'm 25 years old. I studied business and I have 2 years of experience in customer service. I'm friendly and I love working with people.
Short, clear, positive, perfect.
Last daily sentences. Motivation ones.
You can do it.
Never give up.
One day at a time.
Keep going.
I believe in you.
Say these to yourself in the mirror every morning.
Final challenge of the day. Choose one sentence from the whole lesson and use it at least 3 times tomorrow. Then come back and tell us which one you picked.
We read every comment and we answer as many as we can.
That's it for today's mega lesson. More than 6,000 words of daily English.
You are now ready to speak English every day like a natural. We're so proud of you.
Don't forget to like this video if you learned something, subscribe, and turn on the bell so you never miss a lesson.
Tomorrow we talk about 50 questions native speakers ask. You don't want to miss it.
Until then, keep speaking, keep smiling.
Bye, everyone.
Bye. See you tomorrow.